ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्धव्यं ब्रह्मकर्मसमाधिना। Fourth chapter, 24th sloka. This is one of the very important sloka. Generally it is used to chant for during bhojanam time. The simple word meaning for this particular sloka is everything is Brahman. In the yajna, the lead, actually it is the spoon with big handle which we pour ghee and to offer. So the lead, the big handle spoon also Brahman. The ghee also Brahman. Other than this, lot of other materials also it's offered in the fire, that also Brahman. The fire itself is Brahman. All offerings also Brahman. Who is offering? He is also Brahman. To whom he is offering? That also Brahman. What for he is offering? That also Brahman. What is the purpose of all this yajna or offering and everything? That is also Brahman. So a Brahman, what for he is doing? To reach Brahman. That is the message of this particular sloka. In short, everything is Brahman. The yajna is Brahman, the fire is Brahman, the wood is Brahman, the ghee is Brahman, the big handle spoon what is used to pour ghee onto the fire, that is Brahman. Other materials are Brahman. Who is doing this karma? He is Brahman. And the whole yajna is Brahman. And what for he is doing Brahman? What for he is, so that's what we call, homam is called Brahma Yajna. Brahma Yajna being done by Brahman to reach Brahman, the entire action is Brahman. That is the message Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey to Arjuna. Arjuna, please understand. Each and every karma what you are doing, that is Brahman. What is the purpose of doing this? To attain Brahman. Who are you? Brahman. Who am I? Brahman. What is the material used in this? That is also Brahman. Brahman. What is the materials and instruments used in this yajna? Brahman. So like this, Bhagavan Krishna explained everything in this whole yajna with Jnana Yogam in mind, Karma Yogam in mind, Jnanam Yogam in mind, Akarta in mind, with no bandham. All this are called Brahman. Everything is Brahman. That's all Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey in this particular sloka. It's one of the beautiful, also one of the very important sloka. So one should clearly remember, not only during Bhojana time, always you should remember. You should deeply understand this particular sloka to understand what is Karma Jnana Sannyasa Yogam. Tomorrow we shall see 25th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat.